On this recipe, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own shawarma at home. You don't need to be spending money on things like this. It is called low budget shawarma. If you're interested, keep watching. So I am starting up by cutting down my cabbage. I'm going to chop it into smaller sizes. Once I'm done chopping the cabbage into smaller sizes, next I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and then I'm going to set it aside. So next I'm going to chop up the chicken I'm going to be using for this. You can use beef, you can use chicken, you can use sausage, whichever one you want to use for your topping is still going to come out nice. So I'm just going to debone the chicken and then I chop the chicken into smaller sizes. While I was cutting the chicken, I almost finished the chicken. So once I'm done cutting the chicken into smaller sizes, I'm going to transfer it into the bowl where the cabbage is. Step into the kitchen where the magic's made, from spicy jollof rice to fresh. As you can see, I've got two bowls. I'm going to be using ketchup for one, and then other one I'm going to be using mayonnaise. So next I'm going to grate cheese. When I went to the shop, I couldn't see any grated cheese, so I decided to do it myself. Once I'm done grating the cheese, this is how it looks. Next, I'm going to be adding it on the bowl, and then once I add the quantity I want on the bowl, I'm going to be adding mayonnaise on it. You can use ketchup. So I'm using garlic, ginger, and pepper mayonnaise. I'm just going to add it into the bowl and then give it a mix. Like I said, you can use ketchup. If you want to use ketchup or plain mayonnaise, it's still going to come out nice. So once I'm done mixing it, next is to bring out the wrap. So this is where we start the process. While I was doing it, my baby was asking me, "Mommy, are you done? Are you done?" She's really funny. So I'm just going to place it on the foil and then I'm add the mayonnaise on it. Then I'm going to spread it around and then add my mixture on it. So next, I'm just going to add the quantity of the mixture I want, and then I'm going to be placing the sausage on top. So once I place the sausage, I'm going to add more of the mixture on top of it before I fold it. So don't add too much so that you'll be able to fold it. The reason why I am using foil to fold it is just that I am not professional in folding this thing, so I'll use foil to support it while I fold it, and then I'm just going to use the foil to wrap it again, and then that is it. So once you wrap it nicely, this is how it's going to look. So it really came out nice, guys, and you can store this in the fridge like this for like 3 or 4 days. It's still going to be nice. So guys, these are all the ones I made. Next is for me to toast it with my toaster. If you don't have toaster, you can use your pot as a toaster to do it. It's still going to come out nice. I'm going to cover it and then until the red light changes to green, and then you know it is ready. So guys, now it's time for us to check it. One good thing about wrapping your shawarma with foil is not going to cause too much mess for you. So next, I'm just going to open it and show you guys how it looks. It really came out nice, and guess what? It tastes amazing. Just take a look at this. It really came out nice, guys. So next, it is time for us to taste the shawarma. So I cut it into half. Just take a look at this, guys. It looked nice. So it is time for us to taste it, guys. This is so amazing. It really tastes amazing. If you're going to be trying this, let me know in the comment section. My baby that was waiting for me to make this for a long time, I said, come and test it. And it was just too hot, so I decided to cut it a little bit and put on her mouth. And then I told her, go and sit down, let the thing cool down first. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Are you going to be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. See you on my next video. Help me to share this video. Bye.